It's easy to enter a payment on a purchase order in DesignerLogic. You can do this in a few places. One is from the Shortcuts menu. You can find anywhere in DesignerLogic under the Order section. Just click on Enter a Payment on a PO. Select the vendor that you're going to pay the purchase order for, and then choose the purchase order itself from the vendor's list of purchase orders. Down here you'll see how much is still due on the PO, and then just fill out the rest of the information. You can put in a partial payment and put in a note for the payment if you need to. And if we submit and go to the PO, it will open up the purchase order itself, and here you'll see the payment has been logged in. And if you click on payments, you'll see that that payment is logged in now, and you can enter another payment as well. Which brings us up to the second way to pay a purchase order or to log in a payment is to go to the Order section or to the project's purchase order list, and then just click on the purchase order number to open up the PO, and then hit payments, and then simply fill out the information like we just did on the previous one. Now you'll see the payment logged in, and when you refresh the purchase order page, you'll see that show up here with an amount due. And if you print this purchase order out, we'll just go to the standard PO printout. You'll see now that that payment has been logged, and when you go to print view, that payment amount is formatted down here at the bottom.